see it. No! Let's get to the building. So, I already kind of have it almost done. This is a platform. And this is like this. Platform. And this one I'm cutting out right now. He's the thing in my baby. No! Let's get on. We're building it more. Alright. Now, let's get going. Alright, now that that's done, let's get on going. So, let's do this right here, since I didn't exactly measure it all correctly. This is going to be the front, so I'm not going there. Let's cut. Now, cut. These are new scissors, by the way. I don't know, Lincoln is not sponsored. Big in many ways. Go. And we got all the things, same exact size. Let's get on with the time lapse again. So what we're gonna pass this again. Alright, time lapse starts now. Alright, now since I got the top part all built, so if you might have saw from the time lapse, I put these little blocks right here, foam, to make it a little bit stronger. I don't know. Like the video if you like using tape, and like if you like using I'm more of a tape man. I don't know what you guys. You do what you want. Now they use. Hot glue. I'm more of a tape guy. Now it's time to cut it. So, yeah. Now another time lapse. Video, and my cat has decided to join me. It's very cute. Little face. And now he's decided to go somewhere more comfortable, I guess. Look at him. He's just a sweetie type. done. You guys can do whatever you want with it. You can hang it on your walls, or your little airplane. I don't know. Do whatever you want. But that's the end of this video. No, I also forgot. You can use what do you call it? An X-Acto knife, or you can use scissors. So you also really need is a pencil, a ruler, not a ruler, but I'll just use this. Get this at like Dollar Tree or whatever. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, please, it helps out my channel.